So today I wanted to show you one of my favorite tools that I use as an SEO on a daily basis. Now, this actually isn't a SEO tool, it's a developer tool. I'm going to show you 5 ways I use this for SEO on a daily basis. So let's get started here. So the first way I use it is for managing and building keyword lists. Let's say, for example, you're providing services for a specific group of locations here. So say you want to quickly build this list. So I can grab all these locations. I'm just going to make a few copies and say I provide 3 key services. So what you can do is use multiple cursors. And the way you do that is you hold down Shift on PC. You hold down Shift, right click and drag up. And that will allow you to activate the multiple cursors and then start typing on a keyword. Say, for example, auto repair. Let's just do another one here. And then again, hold down Shift and right click, drag up. And then let's say this one is rock chip repair. And then say, you decide you want to do windshield repair instead of rock chip repair. The next awesome thing is you can basically highlight the word rock chip here, and you're going to do Control D, and then you can, again, the multiple cursors are activated. You can hit delete, and then we're going to type in windshield. So that's a great feature. I use this all the time. You can also merge kind of lists of words. So let's try that here. Let's do say there's 4 locations and I do specific things in those 4 locations. Let's change this to Draper. Let's say in Draper I do used car sales. In Salt Lake City I do new car sales. In Murray I do truck sales. In Sandy I do RV sales. You can merge these 2 lists together. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, right click, Shift, right click and drag up with the mouse, space, paste. So I use this on a regular basis. Let's go to number 2 here. This is cleaning up case. Sometimes you'll be given lists of keywords that some letters will be capitalized, some won't. If you want to just get them all to be the same, in my case, I usually just convert them all to lowercase. You can just select them, come up here to Edit, and Convert Case, Lowercase. So I also use it to remove duplicates. Sometimes you'll get a big list of keywords and you won't know if you have duplicates. You want to quickly just filter out all the duplicates. It's real simple to do here in Sublime Text 2. Just come up here to Edit, permute lines, and do unique, and that will remove the duplicates. The 4th thing is I also use it to write code really quickly using the multiple cursor method. So say we want to convert this list into a UL list. Again, Shift, right click and drag up. You can quickly put in the closing list tag, and then we're going to hit Shift and hit the home key on PC. And that basically highlights the whole line, all the lines. And now I'm going to hit left arrow, and it's going to put all the cursor at the beginning. So now I can put in the opening list item, and then we'll just go in here and add the opening UL and closing UL. And again, if you wanted to come in here and add a class to all these, you could quickly do that. Shift, right click and drag down, and then say you want to do class equals anyway. So you can really speed up your coding with this tool. And lastly, I use this to kind of break up lists. So if someone sends me a list of keywords and it's in a kind of a sentence form, and instead of trying to break it apart like this and doing this kind of a thing, pasting one at a time, just undo here. I'm going to show you how I do this. So what I would do is come to the beginning of the list, select a comma, and then do Control D. Just going to select all the commas. Then we're going to backspace. Let me go show that again. So I had to keep hitting Control D. So once you got the one selected, I hit Control D, Control D, Control D, and so on. And now I'm going to backspace, hit return, and there it is, cleaned up. I get rid of this space by doing another shift, right click and drag, backspace. So there you have it. Those are 5 ways that I use SEO on a daily basis. You can actually even use it to, I often use it to check rankings. I'll paste in kind of a list of, I'll set Google to sort by 100. I will search a keyword. I'll find where a company is ranking, and then copy all the results from where that company is ranking up, paste it into Sublime Text, and then do some regular expression filtering to essentially count the rank for that company. So it's just an insanely powerful tool. Can't thank Sublime Text too sublime enough. These guys are by far the best, in my opinion, as far as text editor and manipulating words like this. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope you consider checking it out, and thanks. Bye.